Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show how to recover deleted email messages or restore email deleted messages. If you want to recover or restore your all deleted email messages, so let's see how to do that. I will show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your email and log in your email account. Here you can see your email account, and then click here this option. Here you can see new group chat, add friends, scan QR code, and then more option. You can choose more option, so click here more, and then click here settings. Here you can see notifications, functions, privacy, storage and data, language, account and security, about. You can choose storage and data option, so click here storage and data. Here you can see auto saved after receiving, so click here auto saved after receiving, and in this time turn on these two options. Here you can see two options, photos option and videos option. Please turn on two options. First of all, photos option, click here, and then videos option, click here. And remember, photos and videos received from contacts will be saved to your phone's gallery automatically. Remember, and then go back and then turn on auto saved after sending option. So click here auto saved after sending option. So click here and then minimize it and go to your Google Play Store. Here you can see Google Play Store, open it. Here you can see deleted message recovery notification history. Please install this app and then open it. Agree and continue option, click here. And remember, select apps to save notification and messages and detect changes. You can choose and selected your need apps, and then scroll down. You can choose and selected your need apps. I can choose Emu Beta, so click here and then scroll down. And then I can choose Emu, so click here Emu. And then next option, click here, and then allow option, click here, and then deleted messages recovery, turn on this option, so click here, and then you can choose allow option, so click here allow, and then go back, minimize it and go to your Emu, and then open it. Here you can see me and my friends all conversation and all messages, and in this time my friends deleted his her all email messages, but I can see his her deleted all messages and I can easily recover or restore his her deleted all messages. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, he can deleted his her all messages, but in this time I can see his her deleted all email messages. So let's see how to do that. Minimize it and go to deleted message recovery app. Here you can see deleted message recovery app, open it, and in this here you can see or recover his her all deleted messages. So let's see, click here. Here you can see in this here his her deleted all email messages, and then go back and then left top corner three button option, click here. Here you can see Emu Beta and Emu. So first of all, click here Emu Beta and then open it, and in this here you can see his her all deleted Emu messages, and then go back and then left top corner three button option, click here and then click here Emu, and then open it, and in this here you can see his her deleted all email messages, and in this way you can easily recover his her deleted all email messages and restore deleted email messages. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.